Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel Soumya Tarot, and today I am going to reading in September month for you. So, Pisces, very first of all I would like to say that this is a general reading, so it cannot resonate to everyone. If you want to your personal reading, so then you can contact me. My contact details are given description box. So, Pisces, this reading is a zodiac based reading. So watch it by sun sign. After that you can watch it by another sign. Okay, this reading can cross watches and also it may happen it resonate by your partner, not by you. So Pisces, I have already shuffled my card, but I am shuffling my card again in front of you. So Pisces, okay, my card gets shuffled. Okay, Queen of Pentacles, the Emperor. Okay, Eight of Cups and Four of Swords. Yes. So Pisces, your cards are indicating that you are suffering from tension or depression, depressed. Yes, Pisces, I can see some kind of past energy, that there was some kind of misunderstanding between you and your partner due to some reason. Your cards are showing third party situation, Pisces, either by your side or by your partner's side. But Pisces, but in upcoming days your life is going to be a better. Your life is better, going to be better. Completion of last time. Your card is indicating good vibration, positive vibration for this month. I can see are coming out of all your problem, like problem in your love life, career, financial. Yes, Pisces, lot of problem, your career and finances. But coming time days your life is going to be better. Yes. Coming days a new beginning is waiting for you, Pisces. New beginning, new opportunities are waiting for you, Pisces. Your card is showing that you are going to get some new opportunities. God is with you, Pisces. God is with you. God is blessing you, Pisces. Last time lot of depression I can see, but now this time your card is very positive, Pisces. Your card is very positive, and this month your fabulous month in September. Yes, Pisces, September month is fabulous month for you. Yes, you can get a proposal for marriage or any love offer. by your partner side, Pisces. You can get a love offer, marriage offer by your partner side. Yes, Pisces. I want to some more cards. God, please. I want to some more cards for Pisces in September month. Please, God. For Pisces, I want to some more cards. So Pisces, please subscribe my channel. Pisces, please subscribe my channel. This is a journal reading. So if you want a personal reading, so you can contact me, and my WhatsApp number and my mail ID is description box. So contact me for personal reading. Okay. I have already shuffling your card. The Lover. Okay. The Lover card is very positive card for you. The Tower. Okay. Ten of Wands and Four of Wands. Yes. Pisces. A new beginning card. You are moving toward a new beginning, Pisces. You are moving toward a new beginning. Move ahead, step by step. God is with you, help you. The Lover card. The Lover card is very positive card for your love life. So sweet, Pisces. Very sweet card. Very beautiful card. Nice card. God is with you. God bless you, Pisces. Don't look back, just move ahead. It's something lag behind. It was not for you. New opportunities are waiting for you in career, in love life, in your finances. Yes, Pisces, new opportunities are waiting for you. New opportunities are waiting. Just move ahead. They are waiting for you, Pisces. A new beginning is waiting for you, which help you to get success. Get more success. The Tower card. The Tower card is indicating your one cycle is closed, your life. I think this is a very bad cycle in past. Yes, the Tower moment. But now that time, a new beginning, new opportunities, new love offer, fame, love, marriage, proposal. You're coming on way, Pisces. Your month is going to be fabulous for you. This month will support you in every way. Yes, Pisces. This month is support you in every way. This month is bring a lot of happiness and success in your life, Pisces. Your success in your life. success, very positive card. I can see. So, Pisces, I want to some more cards in your career and your. Okay. King of Pentacles. Wow, this is a great card, Pisces, for you. Yes. Okay, some more. I want to some more card for your business and your job and your exam field. So, Pisces, your job, your career, and your financial gain. Okay. Oh, no more cards. No, I want to only three cards. I want only three cards for Pisces. I want to three cards for Pisces. God, please help. I want to three cards for Pisces. Okay. Queen of Swords and Four of Pentacles. One more, the Chariot. Okay, the Chariot. So, Pisces, in case if you are looking for a job and waiting for a good job opportunities, then this month is finished. Yes, Pisces, finish your waiting time. Waiting for a good job opportunity, then this month has finished your waiting time. You are going to get a golden opportunities. Yes, Pisces, a golden period coming on way in September month. A golden period. Your card is indicating the Lover card, Four of Pentacles, and the Chariot, Queen of Pentacles. Mostly cards are very good for you in September month. Pisces. Yeah, Four of Wands is celebration card indicating your celebration. Mostly cards are very positive. Success on the way, Pisces. Success on the way. The opportunities for which you was waiting since a long time is going to be get fulfilled in this month. It may happen to some of you are willing to start a new business, will get a new ideas by which can you get success. Yes, I'm saying you new success lot, new beginning and new opportunities coming on way, Pisces. Lot of love, lot of success. Your card is very positive. Your future is very bright, Pisces. Your future is very bright. Lot of love in front of you, Pisces. Lot of love. You are very passionate about your career, your business, and you will achieve a goal. Your future is very bright. You will have a great achievement in month of September. Great achievement. Now let's see some card for your love message for the month of September. The Star, the Page of Pentacles. Pisces, your cards are indicating a new beginning, a new opportunities are going to have some new opportunities, new ideas in this month. Sagittarius, your partner is very emotional in this month. Yes, your partner is very emotional. Both of you can plan to visit outside to spend some love time with each other. Yes, both of you plan, spend some love time with each other. So Pisces, total month, if we see total reading for this month for love, career and finance, this month wonderful for you, very passionate, you and your partner, and very fabulous time in your job, career, finances and your love. So very fabulous time. If we see this month according to your career and your finances, then this month is very fabulous, Pisces. So I hope so, Pisces, this is your reading. I hope so resonate to you and your partner. Please subscribe my channel. Or now, till then, bye bye.